So, Partners for Urban Knowledge, Action and Research, PUCAR, based in Global South, is an independent research collective and world-class incubator for producing knowledge, ideas and innovations about global cities and communities. PUCAR believes that in a young, diverse and pluralistic country like India, where large population faces multidimensional poverty, accepting, encouraging, and respecting multiple sources of knowledge can contribute richly to urbanization and governance process. PUCAR is anchored in the value of community-based participatory action and research as a powerful and ethical instrument for knowledge production by marginalized youth, who create evidence-based actions for transforming themselves and their communities. Core competency of the organization remains on education, governance, health, gender, livelihood, environment. The Youth Fellowship program that you witness outside is in its 23rd cycle. Under urbanism, development and governance, we have 3 separate projects. The team created by training local youth work with Adivasi, notified and denotified tribes and help them with various government schemes, educate them with digital literacy and strengthening local democratic process through Panchayati Raj. Under Healthy Cities and Wealthy Cities, we created more than 25 projects over 15 long years that have explored the social determinants of slum health. We screened 2,000 women for breast cancer, educated communities related to prevention of disease process like TB, diabetes, diarrhea, mental health, and created a model of integrated healthcare delivery in the communities. Under gender, we have created agency of marginalized adolescent girls and boys by empowering them with knowledge about their own identity, gender, puberty, nutrition, menstrual and reproductive health, and hygiene, sex and gender, gender-based violence, and inculcating gender-responsive attitude in boys. Since climate change has become an urgent issue to tackle, we have initiated restoring forests and indigenous knowledge about traditional organic agriculture, improving soil health, and producing nutrition-dense food to tackle malnutrition and empower women through creation of kitchen gardens. We have successfully produced massive data sets about education, health, and resource distribution based upon CBPAR, anchored in uncompromising rigor and strong ethics. For you to take home messages, PUCAR has democratized research, profile of the researcher, and its ownership. Thank you.